buried him with his head facing east, while all the rest of the dead are facing west, because they don't believe anybody can make it to heaven. They're basically condemned because they look at it as murder. So I asked him, I said, shouldn't the judging be in God's hands? He goes, well, this is God's church, and we got to do what we have to do when someone commits a sin like murder. That's why we bury them separately and sometimes completely outside the cemetery, he said, because they don't believe they could get into heaven, so they're going to go ahead and do the judging while they're here on earth rather than put it in God's hands.